Well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another video. I know you don't know it's afternoon, but it is afternoon. I'm currently on my way to Inglis, Manitoba. I am heading out there to do some fishing with my buddy James out on Lake of the Prairies. This is going to be my first time on Lake of the Prairies, and I'm super duper excited. I just stopped for some A&W. So anyway, we're going to get back on the road here, and yeah, we'll see you when I see you.
Yeah, welcome to Jeremy's YouTube channel. Jeremy, can you see that?
Yeah, one sec. Let me get tight in.
See that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna be catching those all day tomorrow.
Alright, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Lake of the Prairies, and welcome, James. We are just hauling butt through snow, and for some reason,
I
James
smell
is
gas.
Holy cow, I do too.
Smell that exhaust leak?
Yep. Anyway, we're just buggering out to the shack right now, and we're gonna get ready to hook into some massive walleye.
That's the plan, anyways. Thumbnail.
You got him.
Another little guy. Smallest one of the day.
Yeah, that would make sense. Aggressive.
They are, yeah. Oh, I didn't know if that guy was coming into me or you. A bit better, maybe, eh?
Not really.
Yeah, well, we need some fish for lunch, so here.
Did she go vertical on it? She did.
Not very big. Not very big, but this is why you come to Lake of the Prairies. Just inhaled it. Absolutely inhaled it. Okay, well, I'm going to do that again, Jeremy.
Alright.
Except it's going to be bigger. This guy's a little bit bigger, maybe? I don't know.
Ah! Ah! Watch yourself.
Number 2, Jeremy.
Yeah, I see that, James.
How many? You got your line in the water yet? Ah! Lost him. Jeremy hit me in the back, and there's evidence of you touching me.
Sure, yeah.
I missed that
blame
hook
it on
set.
me.
Double up. Mine's bigger. Alright, not a bad start to the day. Oh, here, Jeremy, look at the size of this mark. I think he just turned around. Oh, no, he's going away. I don't know where to stand.
Stand somewhere. I don't know.
This guy might be the biggest one. No, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Come on.
Number 6. Oh.
Oh, she's on fire. James is...
This guy is on fire.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. You sing just another crusher. Your dinner fare. Yeah, Jeremy, this is really gonna test your
My handling skills?
yeah, your skills. Who's Kevin? Oh, yeah. This is not a thumbnail, Mark. It could be though, maybe for laughs. Oh no, it's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Ah! Thanks, pal. Number 8. Oh! Jeremy's back in the game. Bit better, maybe?
No, it's actually smaller.
That's a thumbnailer. That's how you get sponsored. Can they see that? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You see that,
See
folks?
that?
Yeah, it is. Oh, that's a good one. Nice. See if we can double up here.
Oh. See that right there? Dinner bell. Fish.
See that right there?
Frostbite.
Oh, I can't quite see where. Okay, there's me, faintly. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, Jeremy, is that another fish?
Why, by golly, James, it is.
Holy. Is that on the dinner bell? Wow, I sure wish I had a dinner bell.
Your phone later, she's gonna be like, here's dinner bell.
Yeah. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna get a long rod going too. Oh my. Yeah.
No. Oh, is that a walleye?
What?
Now, James.
I'm gonna throw this live target down there for a bit.
Look at these fish.
Wow.
Gorgeous.
Fantastic.
Just fan flippin-tastic.
We'll be right back after this message. I sure do love wiping my hands with this Witch Bay Camp rag. Nothing like it. You can get a rag like this if you come to Witch Bay Camp. Comes in handy. You can use it as a golf towel. Towel. Damn it! I had a good thing going.
You can use it as a golf towel.
I can't. No problem with using a rod this big. You can't see what the hell's going on.
Holy rattlebait central. James.
Sorry. We just had the bait was swinging around.
What are you doing?
We were coming together as one.
Almost made me fall over. Lean on me.
Oh, what do we have there?
What is that?
What kind of specimen is this?
Could this be a good specimen? Hello?
Hello? Oh yeah. It's charging back, reloading.
Fish. Another average fish. There she is. No. Holy shit. Another nice walleye. We've been absolutely slaying fish all morning.
Nice.
Just, it's insane. Got him. There we go. There's another one.
Seen something. He kicked her in the hide gear. Oh, he did the dip. He did the dip.
He's coming for you, I think.
Yeah, there's another one coming in from the right. Yeah. Oh! He did. Oh. Oh, you got him? Nice. See, we can double up here. Oh.
Booyah. A live scope GoPro that I can stick.
That's a decent one. I'll help you with that.
Oh!
Let it out. What happened?
I pinned her. I guess I just didn't pin her hard enough.
Oh.
He did.
There's another one there too. You want a hand with that one, there, buddy
I
guy?
got her.
Is it pretty nice? Is it small?
Yeah,
Or is it?
I don't know. 17 inches?
Okay. Average. Show everybody at home.
Oh, would you look at that?
Oh, look at the school of baitfish.
Oh, yeah. What do you want? Noise and darkness? Oh,
Oh,
Lisa's on something. I don't think that's her, is it?
I don't know.
No, it doesn't feel like her. It's not very big.
Oh, that fish in the head.
Nice one.
Lisa's got one.
Oh no! He's
Oh.
still in the hole, James. Grab him!
Well, I got my hands full.
Grab him! Hey!
Holy cow!
That's a thumbnailer.
All right, that's good.
I don't even know what I'm doing. What do I do with my hands?
Mine.
The smaller one.
No. You don't know that for sure.
Woo!
But he was still there, so he was coming out. Yes, Jeremiah.
Oh, yeah, I need to move. You want me to grab him? Grab him?
You can't tell tonight, but it's tough. Sorry, Jeremy.
That's a good. Oh, yeah, just wait.
No!
You're at the hole. You lost him at the bottom of the hole. It's like a 22-ish, maybe. It's okay. Good. How do you like your minnows cooked? Oh, oh. You want a hand with that one?
No.
Good. How do you like them cooked, Lisa?
Huh?
How do you like them cooked?
I don't know.
Saucy.
Did you see where it got?
What? Richard? No, I don't do.
She's mad. All these fish just look at them.
Oh yeah,
Just
they flare their
angry.
gills, yeah.
Angry.
I forget when you do your outro. There you have it. The story of today. Right there.
I'm
It's
sorry,
okay.
Dad.
It's okay, sport. Yeah, seeing this?